guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the 07 SI. We're going to be doing a transmission fluid change. I bought the car not knowing when the last time the fluid's been changed, if ever. So today we're going to do a drain and fill with Honda fluid for peace of mind. One thing to note about doing this is the car needs to be level. If you just jack up the front of it and do it that way, you'll actually have a little bit less fluid than what it calls for. So you always want to have your car level when you're doing a fill.
Another good thing to note about this is you always want to loosen your fill bolt first, which is that one up there. Right there. You always want to do that one first just in case you have a hard time getting it loose and you're not stuck with fluid not in the transmission after you drain it. So it's always a good deal to loosen that one first.
Well, our oil didn't look bad when it was draining, but it is absolutely filthy. So, feel very good about us doing this today. Alright guys, we're going to be using genuine Honda transmission fluid. We're going to use an extractor and pull it out of the bottle and go straight to the fill. And we're going to do that until it runs out. When it runs out, we're going to go ahead and put the fill plug back in it, and it'll be good. It'll be at the perfect level at that point. Guys, we're having a change of plans. So my hose on the extractor was a little bit too big, so we're not going to use that. Instead, I've got one of these nozzles that comes off of a like bottle of differential fluid, and we're going to put that directly on the transmission fluid bottle. And then I have a hose here running down at the fill plug. We're just going to do it that way. We got oil coming out of the fill, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the fill plug back in it. Car in the air, I figured it's a good time to go ahead and do a rotation too. This car, since the tires are directional, we're just going to go front and back. right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. And in the future, we're gonna be doing stuff like mods and also have some more maintenance items in mind. I have a shifter replacement coming, non-stop tuning brand, Acuity bass bushings on the way, and eventually got to do something about this steering wheel. The leather was absolutely trashed, so I went ahead and cut it off. So I'll be wrapping it soon. So thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll catch y'all on the next one.